Good morning, students. How are you? I am Nima Dabi, your science teacher. Students, earlier period I told you about the rules. Are you following that rules? Very nice. Now, I will tell you one more thing. Beta, this is the challenging period going on in our life, right? So, to face that, we also have to do one more thing to boost our immunity. How we will do that? By doing exercises, by doing yoga, and by taking the foods which are rich in vitamin C. Okay, students? So you will do that, na? Very good. So in next period, I will ask you whether you are doing it or not. Okay? So today, before starting the chapter, let's see what is the thought of the day. So students, our thought of the day is dream, don't work unless you do. It means to complete your dream, to fulfill your dream, first you have to take step. Okay? To fulfill your dreams, you have to work on it, unless it will not happen. Okay, students? So if you want to come first in class, or if you want to grow a successful man in your life, woman in your life, so you have to work hard. You only have to take first step to fulfill your dreams. Okay, students? Hope you are getting me. So students, today we will do chapter number 4, Matters, revision part 2. Today we will do the revision of part 2. So let's get started. So students, before starting the chapter, let's see what we had studied in last period. We had studied what is matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter has mass means matter has some weight. Okay? Matter occupies space. It means matter needs some space. Okay, students? And the last thing is, feeling of love or sadness are not matter. We had studied this, right? Students, this table, air around us, balloon, and the boy who is drinking water, everything is made up of matter because it has mass and it occupies space. Earlier we have also learned everything is made up of matter. Now look at this picture. You have also seen earlier also that's heart, the boy, the river, the tree, garden, everything is made up of matter. You had also studied matter is made up of tiny, small particles called molecules. And these molecules are made up of atoms. Molecules are so small that you cannot see them. Millions and millions of these tiny particles together form a chair or a bird or a tree or any different objects. Okay? The molecules of different substances are different from each other. And the 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas. Today we will learn all these things through some experiments. Okay? So let's start. Now let's see solid, liquid, and gas. The biscuit is here is solid. The water is here is liquid. And I am breathing is a gas, right? Now I am taking bite of biscuit is solid. And I am drinking water is liquid. Now I am breathing is a gas. Okay, students? The things which are of solid state a bowl. Okay, now I will take a bat. I can hold it, right? Now the another thing, I will take a box. All right, this is also a solid. I can hold it. And then I will take a basket. Okay, I can hold it too. So, solid state. In this, the shape of the object remains same. All right, the shape of the object cannot change, it remains same. As I am putting all the objects, you can see the shapes are not changing. All right, students. Now let's see liquid object. In one hand I am having water, in another I am having milk. These are liquid object. If I pour a water into a bottle, the shape of water will change as per the container as the bottle, right? And if I pour the same water into a bowl, it will take the shape of a bowl because the water molecules are freely and they take the shape of as per the container. Now let's see the object of gas. This is a ball in my hand. Okay. So now I will take a deo spray. Right. This is also a gas. Now I will take a perfume bottle and I will spray it. The gas releases from it. This is also, all the substance are of gas. Now let's see what's the new topic today. Today's topic is change of state. Now we will learn how this change happen. Let's see from the first example. Now, first of all, we will see how solid converted into liquid and liquid converted into gas from the first example. So for that, first you have to do, take out some ice cube from freezer. Now, leave this ice cube for some time. Then what will happen? Tell me. Yes, this ice cube will melt and form liquid. When ice has turned into water, now ask an adult to boil this water. The water will evaporate and escape into the air as steam. Okay, students, are you getting me? How solid is converted into liquid and how liquid is converted into gas. This is the best example of the change of state. Now, let's see the second example. I am having water in a glass and mark the level of water. Okay, students? Now, I am having a sugar in a bowl. Okay, students? Now, I will add 1 spoon of sugar into the water. And you know that in a liquid, the molecules are not packed very close together. There are space between the molecules. When sugar dissolves in water, the sugar molecule fill this empty space. So, there is no increase in the volume of water. As you can see, I am stirring the sugar and the level of water will remain same. Okay. Now students, from the third example, we will observe the change of state. Okay. Here we have 3 pans. In first pan, we have taken wax. In second pan, we have taken butter. And in third pan, there is a piece of iron. Now, ask an adult to heat the pan. Which of the solid melt into liquid? Tell me. Yes, butter and wax melt easily, right? Iron also melt, but it cannot be melt in a pan. It need a furnace. The iron can be melted in a factory. It cannot be melted in home or in school. Okay, students, hope you all are getting me. So, students, here we had completed chapter 4 matters. Okay, hope you all had enjoyed this chapter with me. If you have any kind of queries or doubt, do contact me, do message me. Okay, students? So, stay home, stay safe. I will see you in the next chapter, in the next period. Okay, till then, take care. Bye.